Today, we proudly introduce Kalbavi Cashew. Kalbavi Cashew stands tall as one of the most trusted and celebrated cashew brands. Not just in our region, but across the country. Kalbavi Cashew is the dream project of Prakash Rao Kalbavi, the founder. And today, the brand is also led by Adith Kalbavi, a young and enterprising force bringing a new technical touch to every stage of the process. A name synonymous with consistency, purity, and exceptional taste. Kalbavi Cashew has earned the confidence of families, retailers, and connoisseurs alike. Quality begins at the source. To ensure uniform size, rich flavor, and unmatched freshness, Kalbavi carefully procures premium-grade raw cashews from Africa, selected for their superior quality and natural richness. Every single cashew then embarks on a meticulous 7-day processing journey, where precision meets passion. Day 1, the nuts are stored in gunny bags, calibrated for uniform size, washed thoroughly, and cooked in industrial cookers. Day 2 is dedicated to natural cooling in specially designed bins, preserving kernel quality. Day 3 involves dehelling, followed by machine color sorting. Skilled women workers manually remove any defective kernels. Day 4 includes controlled drying at 70 to 80 degrees centigrade, cooling, and humidification to achieve ideal moisture. Day 5 focuses on peeling, sieving of whole kernels, and precision color sorting and sizing. Day 6 covers careful hand grading by nano sorter machine and skilled women workers, followed by final sanitizing drying. Day 7 completes the process with vacuum packing in tins, buckets, and retail packs, using carbon dioxide or nitrogen to lock in freshness. The result: perfectly processed cashews, crisp, flavorful, and naturally rich. Available in a wide variety of flavors to delight every taste bud. Beyond cashews, Kalbavi also offers a premium selection of fine dry fruits, along with its signature delicacy, the irresistibly delicious Kaju Katli, elegantly presented in the exclusive Kalbavi Cashew bouquet. Because at Kalbavi, quality isn't a claim. It's a promise delivered in every single nut. Visit Kalbavi Cashew at its dedicated outlets in Mangalore. For more details, call 8971707771. Kalbavi Cashew, pure, premium, perfect.